Good afternoon. This is Lance Bryce with Thrive Mortgage. This is your market update for the 14th of April, Tuesday. Hope everyone is staying safe and staying virus-free during these very interesting times. And I'd like to share some good news for a change. I think everybody could use some good news. We are seeing the stock market rally in an unprecedented way. We are seeing the Dow Jones up 5,750 points in the last 3 weeks. You go back to the 22nd of March, we were sitting at 18,200. The Dow closed at 23,950 today. It was up 560 points on the day. So we've had a tremendous rebound in equities. And we've also, oddly, seen 3 weeks of relative stability in the bond market. We've seen interest rates somewhat moderate. We're not seeing the wild swings. In fact, you go back the same 3 weeks, back to the 22nd of March, you don't see more than 100 basis point move in bond prices over that period, which is a huge change from the prior 3 weeks. We saw unprecedented volatility and just an impossibility of kind of trying to pin down where pricing would be from day to day. So we've seen that kind of settle into a nice rhythm. The Federal Reserve and their bond buying seems to have found a relative sweet spot with regard to the daily purchases of bonds that they're engaging in order to hold prices steady. We're also seeing continued tightening. If we're going to look at some of the negative side, we are seeing continued tightening. We've seen Fannie Mae release stricter guidelines with regard to how they are using their automated underwriting systems. So we're going to see a little bit tighter guidelines still with regard to credit scoring, debt to income ratios, allowable loan to values on certain products. I'm sure at some point will be evaluated. And you're seeing some national lenders, Chase in particular, with some really surprising moves with regard to just not accepting anything below 20% down in a 700 credit score, which is pretty shocking. We are nowhere near that, nor are most companies. We have tightened somewhat, as everyone has, but we are still making no money down loans to qualified veteran and USDA borrowers. We're still making 97% loans to qualified conventional borrowers, and we're still making FHA loans at 3.5% down, and those with credit scores as low as 640. So if you have scenarios, run those by me. Give me a shout. If you have buyers that you're concerned about that may be in trouble because of these new guidelines, call me as well. You can reach me at 210-260-9660. You can find me online at brycehomeloans.com. Everyone stay safe, stay blessed during these interesting times, and I'll talk to you next week.